Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious lemonade for the hot summer. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 6 to 8 fresh lemons, which should yield roughly 1 1/2 cups of juice. Next, grab 1 cup of granulated sugar and 4 cups of cold water. These simple items are the foundation for a refreshing drink that will beat the heat. The secret to perfectly blended lemonade is simple syrup. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1 cup of water. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. Once dissolved, remove it from the heat and let it cool down entirely. This step prevents grainy lemonade and ensures a smooth, sweet taste. Now it's time to bring everything together. Juice your 6 to 8 lemons to get approximately 1 1/2 cups of fresh lemon juice. In a large pitcher, combine the fresh lemon juice, your completely cooled simple syrup, and 3 cups of cold water. Stir everything thoroughly. Give it a taste and adjust the sweetness or tartness by adding more water or a little extra syrup if needed. Your homemade lemonade is now ready to be enjoyed. Pour it over plenty of ice in your favorite glasses. For an extra touch, garnish each serving with a fresh lemon slice or a sprig of mint. It's the perfect, refreshing drink for a hot summer day. Also, for all you book lovers, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.